Hi, it's Shane from Swift Life Coaching and Consulting. So I just survived my family's 74th family reunion. Yes, 74. We don't play. We've got 5 chapters: Pennsylvania, DC Metro, Virginia, New York, and North Carolina. And since it was in DC this Labor Day weekend, my home turf, we were hosting, running around, and trying to keep up. And let me tell you, the DC Metro chapter, we are the Go Big, Go Home chapter. Banquets, a boots on the ground workshop, casino trip, a bowling tournament. We do it all. But underneath all of that fun, ADHD fatigue hit me hard. Now let's be clear. When most people say they're tired, they mean I need a nap, a cup of coffee, maybe a weekend off. At one point, I told my cousin I was tired, and she said, me too, but I'm going to tough it out. My inner critic started whispering, why can't you just tough it out too? But then I remembered what I tell my clients: pushing through fear of disappointing people, it's just another energy leak. So I smiled and said, see you tomorrow. But I digress. ADHD fatigue? It's not the same. It's deeper, sharper. It's hard to explain, but I've got some analogies to make it click for you. First, think batteries. Neurotypical batteries drain slow and steady. ADHD batteries, they drain fast, charge unevenly, and sometimes just shut down mid-sentence. Second, cars on the highway. My cousins are hybrids, just cruising along. Me, I'm an old pickup truck, guzzling gas just to keep up. Guess who's exhausted first? Third, dopamine. For you neurotypicals, the tank fills smoothly. For us, it leaks. It's like driving across town, but your gas tank drips every few blocks. Fourth, decisions. Every choice is an energy tax. What time does the banquet start? What's the address? Did I pack everything for the family marketplace? And no, Dad, I don't remember the hotel we stayed in 5 years ago. Neurotypicals push a grocery cart with wheels. ADHDers, we're hauling 10 bags with no handles. Same groceries, very different exhaustion. Fifth, emotions, masking, self-monitoring, pretending we've got it all together. It's like working the reunion in a weighted vest. You smile for the pictures, but inside you're praying for a nap before dessert. And even after 8 hours, my brain wakes up like a phone stuck at 60%. Fully charged, not always on the menu. And here's the kicker. Neurotypical tired fades slow. ADHD fatigue is 8 a.m. 1 minute, I'm dancing the Cupid Shuffle. The next minute, face down on the couch. So here's the takeaway. ADHD fatigue isn't laziness. It's not willpower. It's neurological overwork, dopamine imbalance, executive function overload, emotional weight, and sleep that doesn't recharge the way it should. So if you catch me sneaking a nap at the next reunion, know this: it's not the potato salad's fault. It's ADHD fatigue. But trust me, even on 60% battery, we still show up big, like my Metro family in DC. Thanks.